Okay, it's been a while since I've done a how-to video. This one's going to be multi-part and I'll splice it together, but it's going to be a bed for a loft bed, and I'm starting here with the raw steel. There's the first piece cut. Okay, so this is the first cut on the metal. This is the kind of saw that we're using, and that's a 1x2 piece.
Wait. Cut.
Okay, so here's our first two cuts, and you'll see that they're kind of L-shaped. That's going to cradle the 1-inch piece, so when we weld it there will be no open ends. Okay, so we have all the pieces to an end cap laid out here, and we're going to go ahead and put it together. Show you what it looks like. Okay, as you can tell, we did a 45-degree corner here. That way it's boxed in after you weld it. You won't have any exposed tubing like the end piece here, because it's going to be totally boxed in, rather than putting it, you know, like a square joint like that. So we want it boxed in. We also did the same over here on the 2-inch piece. We cut it so that this is going to be the cap, and when we weld this together here and here, it'll be totally encased and there won't be any open edges. Then we've got our support here, and we're going to end up putting some 45-degree 3/4 inch in between those cells, just for looks, but also so nobody rolls out of bed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use a corner clamp and clamp the pieces together, and this is to ensure that we get a 45-degree, a good 45-degree, or excuse me, a 90-degree mating junction. And that's what it's going to look like and hold together. And we're going to put the rest of the clamps on. Unfortunately, I only have 3 of those clamps, but I can make do without the 4th.